Hello everyone, this is Uncle Frank again, and today I'm gonna teach you how to draw another Pokemon. This is gonna be Bulbasaur, and it looks very much like a frog. So we're gonna start with this shape, which is kind of a trapeze with a rounded bottom, like this. Then I'm gonna find the center for his face. Should be around here. And I'm gonna extend the line from his face, and I'm gonna draw the rest of the body like this. It's quite small, so be careful not to exaggerate on the size. So from a point ahead of the line of the body, I'm gonna make the first leg. So just a couple of straight lines, and the second one is gonna be around here. I start with a line to the ground, and then a curved line for the back of his leg. For the hind leg, it's just gonna be a curved line, which I'm going to connect with his bottom. So the onion on his back is just gonna be two opposing S shapes with 3 points on top. So I'll make a couple of lines to give the idea of depth. Okay. Now I'm gonna find the place for the nose, where the nostrils are going to stay. It's just one line here and another line here, so the nose is ready. So we draw a line downwards here and another one here, close to the end of the cheek. So notice that his mouth is kind of pointy in the center, so you can just draw his mouth with two straight lines. And then I draw the fangs, so they are very close to the extremities. And now the smile and the tongue. The eyes are gonna start exactly where the nostrils end. So I'm just marking the beginning of the eyes, and this one is just gonna be a simple cartoon eye looking like a letter A, like this. So to make the other one exactly the same size in relation to perspective, I'm just gonna draw this line here on top of one eye. Well, now I know where the other eye is gonna end, and I just make the letter A to represent the eye. So having done that, I'm ready to start working on the real shape for his face. So I just have to draw a line downwards, draw his cheek, and sketch his jaw. So his ear is not gonna be like a cat's ear, it's gonna be much shorter. So for his claws, we just have to draw a few triangles and diamond shapes at the end of his paws, like this. And if you enjoy our content, please don't forget to like and subscribe, because that's very important for us, so that's how we can make the channel grow and make more videos and improve our quality. So don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you can get notifications of any new videos. Now just checking for some more details, and let's start working on his smudges, which are just going to be some geometrical shapes like triangles and some rectangles. Okay, I'm quite satisfied with it. So all I have to do now is to get my marker and work on the line art. Follow me. Now for coloring this drawing, I'm going to use some brush pens, but you can use whatever you have available. So if you have colored pencils, that's going to be just fine. If you decide to use some watercolor, that's okay. Or even felt tip pens, that's going to work. And there you go, Bulbasaur is ready to battle. Thank you very much for staying with me up to this point. Feel free to comment and send me a suggestion on the comment section. YouTube is gonna give you some suggestions, so please stick around and check any other videos. I'm quite sure you're gonna find something you like. Bye bye guys, I hope to see you next time.